Hi everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole. Now that you've purchased the best telescoping flagpole in the industry, I'm sure you're asking yourself, how can I make the most out of this flagpole purchase? Well, I want to offer you one of our best-selling options. It's something that has come as a direct result of customer feedback, something that many members of our Atlantic Flag and Pole family have reached out and said, we really want to be able to fly a third flag. This is an ideal option for the 25-foot Phoenix telescoping flagpole. It is also a possibility on the 20-foot pole, but you can only do a 2x3 flag for that third flag. On the 25-foot pole, you can do a 3x5, which is industry standard. So you can go right ahead and purchase the third flag attachment kit. That's an option. It's a great upgrade. It's one of our best sellers. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the different items that come in that kit and then what it looks like. Our third flag attachment kit is so easy to use. You'll only need 3 items. We're going to send you all 3 of those items in the kit, and it's everything you need to fly that third flag. The flag is sold separately, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the one that I've attached to my 25-foot flagpole. This is one of our best sellers. It's our Patriotic Eagle flag. Absolutely beautiful, and also an option for you. So go ahead and get that third flag attachment for your 25-foot pole and pick out whichever 3x5 flag you'd like to fly on it.